what I do every day, guys. Then you can call it. So guys, you can see life in the village. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Wagala Malin. Kids, when you thank you so much for coming. So keep on subscribing my video. Keep on subscribing, keep on watching my video till the end. So guys, I'm coming live from the village. You can see today I want to show you my house tour, guys, here in the village. So guys, you can see this is our traditional house. It's made of grass, because nowadays, guys, we understand that people are using iron sheet to make their house, but traditionally they used to, our ancestors used to stay in the house made of grass. So guys, the importance of this house that when it's raining you can't hear, then when it's so hot, when it's sunny, you can't feel it, it's just cold. So then this house is supposed to be with someone who is so professional. So guys, come with me, let's go inside. So this is my door. When you want to open it, you need to use this. So come inside, guys. Let me show you. So guys, you can see this is my house. It's also the kitchen. I used to sleep here, then it's also the kitchen. So you can see we have, this is where we keep our firewood when it is when you cut your tree, then you need to make firewood. You put here when it's not yet ready, but with the time when you are cooking, there's some heat coming from our jiko. Yes, here then then the firewood will just dry completely. So guys, but I need to go and fetch water. I don't have water, so let me clean my house with you. I have told you this is my house. It's also mine. So this is my house, at the same time it's my bedroom. So guys, here in the village you understand that you don't, if you are a kid, you don't sleep with your parents in the same house. They need to build multiple houses, or if the kitchen, you need to go and sleep there. So this is my chair. Then it acts like a table. No, yeah, you can sit here and put your food here. Then this is where I'm sleeping, guys. Then you can see this another my chair, guys. You can see how this is just a container. They cut it, then they place it here. So this is where I'm sleeping. So this one is what I'm using it to cover myself. So let me put it here. So I need to make my house so clean, to clean my house. So guys, we understand that cleanness is something good. Hygiene is something good. Then here in my kitchen we have a mwiko. This cooking stick is called mwiko. When you are using this one to cook ugali, you can see where it is. Then this bottle, when I want to go and buy some oil, cooking oil, I'm using this bottle. So guys, I need to prepare the place where So as you can see, I don't have mattress. When I want to sleep, I need to put some all clothes down. So at least when I come at night to sleep, I will not struggle to arrange. I'll just come and enter into my bed. So this bed of mine is so interesting, guys. Even you see that when you are sleeping on a bed, sometimes you will fall. But here, guys, it's so enjoyable. So let me put it like this. Then I'll put my chair here. So guys, these shoes I'm wearing it because here in the village it's very raining. When it's mud, it's helping me to walk.
Nani?
So when someone come to visit me here, he or she should need to sit. This chair, then this is my container, but I don't have water for now. Away, Thomas. So guys, now you can see video. So guys, you can see my house now clean. So this I told you this is my bed. When I want to sleep, I'll just come here. So this is what I'm using to cover my body. Then I will sleep like this way. So my bed is so interesting, guys. It's like this. So yeah, when I wake up, if it's in the morning, then I'll remove this thing and put out there to air it. Then during the evening, when it's not raining, I will return it here. Then that's what I do every day, guys. Then you can call it a day. So guys, you can see life in the village. It's just simple like this. So I hope guys I have shown you my house tour the way it is. Just book it and so guys, you can see this, it is like, you can see the way it is up there. Then you can see this the jiko. So this is the jiko. Then I have salt there. Then you can see how my house is so clean. Then I've told you this one acts like a chair that you can just sit here like this. Then you put here your tea or food. Then you just start taking it. Yeah. So guys, I don't have water, so let me go and fetch it. We have borehole around here in our house. sinking, but if you want to wash utensil or to shower, you're just coming here in our board, then you take water, then you use it. The ball because it's so risky.
Napeleka? Okay.
Wow, guys, now I have water in my house. Let me put it here. So now I need to close. So this is what I'll use it to cook. This is how I'm closing my house. So guys, if you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Don't forget to watch my videos till the end. It's a gala mat. Bye bye.